This is what the Christians call Judgment Day. Oh, man. Take that, you skill shot. Nice. Just keep going. Keep going. Just multi-ball. Greatest part of any pinball experience.
What the hell is wrong with your camera?
Broke the screen on it.
How?
Sat on it.
Oh!
Really?
No.
Oh.
I put it in my purse.
I was just joking.
And I slammed it down, and so I guess something broke the screen.
That sucks.
Where'd you get it from?
Sam's
Walmart.
Club.
Walmart.
Yeah, that's right. Zaria the Ploy. That was the worst
That's a dumb place to buy a camera from.
ball ever.
I needed. It's my fault. I should have had a cover on it.
Oh,